Volume, a London-based fintech, has raised $6 million to expand its account-to-account payment services. Volume's innovative platform offers businesses a faster and more secure payment solution by enabling direct bank-to-bank transactions. This technology, powered by open banking, eliminates the need for cards and passwords, providing a seamless and cost-effective payment experience for both businesses and consumers. With this funding, Volume is poised to revolutionize the payments landscape and drive significant savings for businesses worldwide. Make sure you subscribe to TheFinRate for latest news and updates from the fintech world. Thanks for watching.